Excuse me, could you come here for a second? I don't feel very well at all. I feel quite dizzy and a bit sick.
I am very sorry to hear that. You look a little bit pale. Let me help you. Is this your first time flying on a large plane?
No, I fly quite often, but I am never very good with turbulence. These sudden movements are making my stomach feel very upset.
I completely understand. Turbulence can be very uncomfortable for many people. The most important thing is to try to stay calm. Try to take slow, deep breaths through your nose and look at a fixed point in front of you.
Okay? I am trying. Should I look out the window to see the horizon?
Actually, it is better if you don't look out the window right now. Looking at the moving clouds can sometimes make the dizziness worse. Here is an airsick bag, just in case you need it. I will keep it right here in the seat pocket for you.
Thank you. That is a good idea. Could I please have a glass of cold water? My mouth feels very dry.
Of course, I will bring you some cold water right away. I can also bring you some ginger ale or a slice of lemon if you like. Sometimes that helps with nausea.
Just plain water for now, please.
No problem. Also, would you like me to recline your seat a little bit so you can lie back? And I can turn on the air vent above you to give you some fresh, cool air.
Yes, please, more air would be wonderful. Oh, that feels much better already.
I am glad. The captain just informed us that the turbulence should end in about 5 or 10 minutes. We are moving to a different altitude where the air is smoother.
That is good news. Thank you so much for being so patient and helpful. I was starting to panic a little bit.
It is my pleasure. Do not worry. I will check on you again in a few minutes to see how you are doing. Just try to relax and close your eyes for a moment.
Thank you. I think I will try to sleep for a little while.